Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making your local WordPress site reachable on a single port. First, confirm the dev stack is running and note the exact localhost port. Next, install and authenticate the ngrok CLI with your token so ngrok can create a tunnel. Once done, choose whether you need HTTP or HTTPS and prepare any database credentials the client will need. Make sure to stop other services that might conflict on the chosen port before opening the tunnel. Now expose the site with a single ngrok command pointing to your site port, and if necessary, include host header to simulate your local host. Once the tunnel is live, enable ngrok's basic auth to protect the preview from public indexing, and set a custom subdomain or reserved domain if you want a consistent link. Test the tunneled URL in an incognito browser to confirm assets and login pages load. Also make sure mixed content is resolved by using HTTPS and share the authenticated ngrok URL with your client and include simple steps: open link, accept certificate if prompted, and basic auth credentials. Keep the tunnel running while they review and plan a time window to avoid the link expiring. If you need recurring reviews, reserve a paid subdomain or use a staging server for permanence. And if things go wrong, check firewall rules, validate the host header setting, and refresh permalinks. These 3 fixes solve most tunnel preview problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.